Justin here with Moonshot 23. Today we're going to take a look at a structure I found on the right side of this picture you're looking at right now. If you look real close, you can kind of see maybe some bumps in the middle of the moon. Here I'm going to point it out. The red arrow is what we are going to be looking at today. The yellow arrow will address this anomaly at a different time. And the green arrow, that's actually another little tower. But here are the three objects up close. The one we're going to be looking at is on the very bottom, right on the edge. I'll point it out here in just a second. It's the red arrow there. That's the item we're going to be looking at. The yellow arrow pointing at that structure we will deal with at a later time. So here we go. So that's one of the up close and personal shots. Little interesting, a lot of round symmetry off the front and a lot of flat symmetry across the top, big shadow across the back. You can see two, I don't know if they're engines or doors or what they are on the left here. I'll point them out here in a second. But that is clearly not like the lunar surface. I'm not sure what it is, but it absolutely is not native to the lunar surface. On this next picture, I'll point out a couple things. So the red arrows is obviously the top of the structure that the light is glaring off of. The yellow is just showing you the side, what I feel is the side coming down, and the two portholes in the front, and then the round structure up there to the left. I'm not sure what it is. And here I've kind of outlined far right, two yellow lines are just outlining the shadow that the structure is giving off. The red lines are outlining the outside of the structure, in my opinion. And the yellow curved line is going around the curved structure off the front of this. These two arrows are pointing at what I feel are possibly engines. Possibly engines. I don't know what else it could be. Entry doors, depending on how big it is. I don't see that. The best thing I can come up with is engines. The next filter, I did this one. It's really pixelated, but I was trying to bring out the roundness off the west side of the structure. You can almost see it wrap all the way around, and that's what I was trying to show here. Weird structure, very, very weird structure, and I'll point it out to you right here. So that top arrow is pointing obviously to the part that is closest to us, and the bottom arrow is pointing to the back part of it that you can see most of, but not all of, curving back towards the machine. On this next photo here, the stars are just pointing out the top of the structure. The yellow arrow is actually pointing at the black shadow. The red arrow is pointing at, which I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a ship flying towards the big ship. I don't know what it is. It reminds me of an A-wing off of Star Wars. Pretty cool structure. Really not sure what it is, but I thank you all for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe on your way out and look for the next video. Thank you.